tumayo dyan at pinasapo natin yung Contra People's Initiative, the fake People's Initiative, na talagang call out natin yung lahat ng grupo ng tumutulak nun, from the speaker and even Malacanang, kinalaban natin. Kaya wala kami kinalaman dyan. Bakit sinama kami dyan sa propaganda na yan? Na dahil kami, Buwag 11? Ano ba yan? Bulaga 11? At grade 13? That should not be shown here. Because what will stop us now, Madam President, for that lady senator, that we come up also with a propaganda video here, papalabas din namin yung mga sala nila. Oo, kung ano-ano, hindi naman kami ganyan. No? To gain traction, to gain views and publicity, will destroy our fellow colleagues here. Ganyanan. Ako, hindi ako magagalit. Kilala niyo ako. Pinaka-amiable dito. Mahal ka kayo. Pero hindi tama yung pangyayari niyo. Diba? Kung galit po kayo, salita po siya dyan, mag-aalis siya sa gobyerno niya. Mag-aalis siya sa kapatid niya. Turahin niya kapatid niya. Pero huwag naman niya idamay yung mga tao na walang kinalaman dyan. At tulad yan, never ako kinausap ni Senate President Soto. Never ako kinausap ng mga kasamahan ko dito about charter change. Kasi alam din nila, tutulong ko. Tinanong ko din sila. Wala silang kausap. Wala silang kinalaman. Wala silang alam sa charter change. This whole group is just nodding, shaking their heads. There is no such thing. Inday-badiday na ba tayo dito sa Senado? Kaya sinasabi, we're a circus. I apologize to those who are watching. They think we're a circus. We are a circus because this type of language that we are pushing in this August chamber, it's unparliamentary, Madam President. It is unparliamentary. And I tell you now, these people here, these gentlemen in this body, are not in favor of any amendments to the Constitution. We just want to bring back the integrity of this same chamber. Cannot be discussed not as a group, as a body, that we fight for our integrity, for the good name to be brought back, for people like Joko, people like Anyada, people like Aquino, people like Salonga, even Frank Pilon, people like Miriam Defensor, Santiago, Joker Arroyo, who stood here for what was the best times of our institution. Have we forgotten that we've made it already like a circus? Madam Chair, I do not agree. This is not Marcos. I'm not, so when you come up with a propaganda tool like that, hindi lumabas, it makes us look that we are nagpapasapanig po kami ng mali at nasapanig po kami ng mga demonyo. Ano ba? May panindigan po kami lahat dito. Madam President. So therefore, you can see my passion on this. I move to strike that propaganda video off the records of this great institution.
Before I recognize the former Senate President, may I ask the former Senate President, Santos Bailey, is that just for the motion? That is your motion? Yes. Before I recognize, before we act on your motion, may I hear first from my one leader, and then Senator Tulfo. Yes, it's an itemization.
First of all, the presentation of what we call the editorial video that we witnessed, yes. I would like to take exception to my being mentioned there. Parang lumalabas na parang lahat narinig nila makikipag-meeting sa amin ang speaker o sino. Parang pumayag ako. Sana tinanong nila yung source nila. Pumayag ba ako? Yung mga mas gusto ko, Katsa. CHA, not charter change. Ang kailangan natin, Katsa, character change. That is what we need. O kaya let's say may idea ang Speaker of the House. Gusto ko sabi ng Senate President at sinasabi nila, meron silang mga membro ganito, idea ganito, idea ganito. Ay, sabihin ba yun, mali na kagad ako dahil narinig ko. Ano? Did I agree? Ang sabi ko pa nga, if you're going to change or amend, not change amend, ang nabanggit ko. If you're going to amend the Constitution, baka ako pumayag sa isang bagay lang. Sabi ko, ano, at yun may in jest ko pa sinabi. Sabi ko, ibaba natin ang edad. Bakit sa Amerika, 35 years old ang presidente? Ang senator, 30. Bakit sa atin, 40 and 35? Kaya pare-pareho sila. Sabi doon sa isa sa comment sa the distinguished lady, sinasabi, gusto ko raw iakyat into 50 para ma-disqualify doon sa 30. That's not true, Mr. President, Madam President. That's impossible. I never said that. Di ba? I have nothing to do with the proposal for any elections of Sara Duterte in 2028. For all you know, I might vote for her. Di ba? Ano ba yun eh? Hindi ba pwedeng porque pinag-uusapan, narinig ko, yun ang agad. At saka lalabas dito na para bang ako'y nakikiisa. I have nothing to do with the allegations, Chacha. I heard the proposals. I never brought it up to my colleagues, any one of them. Pinagdit eh. As a matter of fact, there was one time na sinasabi yung meeting daw namin, Senator Lacson was there. He dropped by because he had the board meeting. Tapos sabi ko, tama-tama, may kamali siya ng pasok. Nandun lang kapuan eh. Actually, it's not a room. It's just the VIP area that's open, very open. Sabi ni Senator Lacson, ang ginagawa nyo rito, kamali ako ng pasok. Isa, nagkwentuhan lang. Sabi ko, at tinanong ko pa siya, ilan ba yung kwarto pinapagawa sa new Senate building? I even asked that, bakit? Sabi niya, what? Ito mga kamusin, yung mga congressmen, gusto gawing regional. Gusto nilang gawing 36. Ang mga senador, sabi ko, tatanong ko kung kakasya ron. No, we're joking. So yung mga source na nakikitlit ng mga kwento, parang they make it sound sinister. Mag-ingat po tayo sa mga kwento. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi nangyari. Yung nag-usap kami, nagkita kami. As a matter of fact, you will not be surprised. You should not